Old Devon International, and this is Rescue 335 BK 117. We are currently 2 nautical miles to the north of Old Devon International, and we will be cruising for Devon International for landing. Rescue 335. Traffic 1242, please free, got to go free door. Free frame, this is search and rescue operations over at 2 nautical miles, northern south of Command, please frame.
Police Porter, this is Alpha Echo Echo, you just passed me. I am also patrolling the coast as part of a voluntary search and rescue operation. I will climb to 1000. Alpha Echo Echo.
No problem, please 5, please free, got to go free door, please frame.
Copy that.
I'm Nick Holmes. I'm a fueling automation engineer, a voluntary rescue technician, and a passionate aviator. Join me as I take you through learning to fly and onto the adventures of backcountry aviation in South Africa. Hello guys, on the 11th of April 2022, KwaZulu-Natal was hit by a devastating flood. There was one contributing factor to the devastation, and that was the fact that we had 232 millimeters of rain in the space of about 9 hours overnight on the 11th to the 12th of April. The Shongweni Dam did what it was designed to do, and 2 of its fuse gates breached, alleviating strain on the wall. That water rushed downriver and ended up in what is known as the South Durban Basin, which flooded the Air Force Base, the refinery, container terminals, and created absolute pandemonium. The resultant of that was there were many landslides, many floods, many people washed away, vehicles, etc., etc. And that called for all the emergency services to get in, to get hands on the deck and get it going. Obviously, I was out on the Monday night during the rain trying to help rescue people. Unfortunately, as it got later in the day on the Tuesday, we realized it was now more of a search and recover mission more than search and rescue. On the Thursday, I went to the Joint Operation Command Center, got assigned myself a helicopter, and we went out with the Air Force and we did a couple of scenes, or a couple of taskings there. And then I took a break for a few days, and then a week later I decided to get in the air in my aircraft and go and search the coastline, interacting with the police PC-6 Porter, call sign Police 3, and a BK-117 from the Air Force, and on location of deceased in the ocean. But anyway, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and come join us as we search the coastline.
Coming up, and one of the most incredible things is that the bridge is gone. Alrighty, well, we've got the police Porter out patrolling the coast as well, PC-6, but yeah, so she's out and they seem to be quite accommodating that we're also patrolling, so that's good to know. I don't think we're going to get much in terms of anything here in this area. We'll carry on northbound and have a look-see, get to Durban International, we'll make a turn there, and yeah. So we are cross Toti here at 500. Yeah, this is just really bad mud, like a lot of mud. Okay, so that looks that could be displaced people because this whole area flooded. So that doesn't look too bad, but that all flooded over there.
So 142, please see for the porter coming up over 80 over the beach low level. We're moving outbound now to the north. We're maintaining 300 feet to ground.
Yeah, that's pretty bad down there. Okay, 750. That's still all flooded down there. What is that? Maybe out to sea a little bit.
Traffic Mountain 30, please see for the porter. We're coming up 2 miles just to the southern side of the Mountain 30. Over at the coastline, and we're maintaining 200 to 300 feet to ground. Any just to take for please.
South Coast traffic, fixed wing Alpha Echo Echo. A beam on Devon International at 700 foot climbing to 1000. Will be on the turnaround at the Amlazi River Canal, routing back southbound Alpha Echo Echo.
Thanks guys, appreciate it, and then confirm you guys will be then at 1,000.
Copy that, I've got your visual now, we will clear of each other, I'm just to your west.
And Alpha Echo Echo, please see.
Please, Potter, go ahead.
Right, confirm you guys are going to be at 1,000.
Bravo Echo, Arpaz operating at SAPREP, just to your western side. Got your exit clock now, we will clear of each other.
Porter, sorry, your comms got garbled there by another transmission.
No problem, can you guys receive us now?
Yep, we got you now. We are overhead the Amlazi River mouth, I'm going to turn out to sea now, climbing 1000 at 800.
Thank you very much, then we'll be well see you, please see.
Right, copy that. Please port Alpha Echo Echo.
Alright, go ahead.
Whereabout are you?
Nice, I'm right. Alright, we approximately 3 nautical miles to the northern side of the Mountain 30 low level. We're maintaining 200 feet to ground, so you should be well clear.
Okay, great, I'm clear. I have just spotted 2 items in the ocean just off SAPREP that are of interest. They could be bodies.
Excellent, just keep your position and then you guys just maintain your altitude at 800 feet and you guys can just back over quickly, we're on our way.
Okay, great, we'll maintain 800 in a circuit here.
Awesome, thank you so much, we're on our way. Right, Alpha Echo Echo Police 3, we're coming up Isitingo beach now, approximately 1 mile so to the southern side. We'll keep a lookout for you guys, no that's visual yet. We're coming up more or less the refinery station. We got approximately 2 miles around.
Okay, great. I'm just about 1 kilometer to the south of the refinery. I am routing north at the moment. I'm about to do a big orbit again. The objects are just between the outer oil bunker deposit point and the beach.
Alright, copy, thanks for keep a lookout. If you don't mind, just remain there for a few minutes so we can just pick them up and then you guys can go if it's fine if you guys want fuel.
Okay, perfect. I'll continue circling here until I have you visual, then I can point you into where I spotted it.
Thanks so much. Yeah, police 3 from 1 company quickly.
Lopez operating 1242 traffic in the Moses Mabida Stadium, rescue 336 and Malaysia BK117 helicopter coming up Moses Mabida this time 250 NH1020 and routing towards Old Durban for refueling rescue 336. And Echo please please.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, we just passed that weather radar ball. We don't have to till yet. We're coming to the entrance here now at the Umnazi River. We'll see if we can jump for now.
Okay, I am south of the Umlazi River. Okay, I have the radar ball visual, and I'm sitting at 1,000 foot above.
I copy, we're turning around.
Alright, I have you visual. You're ahead of me. So if you come back towards my position, just slightly out to sea, if you level out now and come back, I will give you a pointer.
Perfect.
Okay, as you go into that dark water now, there was something would be on your left-hand side, somewhere around about where you are now.
Alright, copy, thank you so much. And we'll sort this out now. We'll let you know if we find anything. Much appreciated.
Okay, no problem. And then there was a second object just in the cleaner water to the south. I'll just do another circuit out here and see if I can see anything.
Much appreciated. We're going to maintain 300 feet around then, and we'll call you if we pick up anything.
Okay, perfect. I'll maintain 1,000 up here.
Thanks. 1242 traffic in the Durban Harbour area, rescue 336, military BK117 coming up dry docks this time, 300 split carriage 1019 and routing Old Durban for joining and landing rescue 336. We're going to cut the coast and route north towards Virginia at 1,500 feet.
Please go ahead.
We're just going to go copy frequency quickly. It's 13355. I'll speak to you on there. 13355.
13355. Changing over now. Please 3, Alpha Echo, go.
Alright, go. Alright, so we're still in the right vicinity. Do you have a description more or less what I saw?
Okay, so it looked like a torso floating just below the surface, clothesless. So, I mean, it could even be a log, but it definitely had sort of the resemblance of a torso.
Copy, thanks. Just confirm we're still strictly in the right area now.
Correct, yes, you are.
Awesome, appreciate it. Thanks so much, man. Just say the second one you saw, it's more to the south, huh?
Yeah, second one I saw was kind of in this semi-bluish water that you are circling now.
Alright, copy. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate all the help.
No problem. I'll keep looking. If I find anything, I'll call you.
Alright, cool. to the southeast to where the port is operating. Police 1.
Last caller, Alpha Echo. Echo is operating 1,000 foot above the porter.
Copy that, thank you sir. I have the port in sight. I don't have the inside yet, but we're still quite far out there.
Alright, copy that.
And Alpha Echo for police 3.
Please, go ahead.
Oh yeah, we did pick it up. We found it's 2 dog pieces, yeah. But well spotted, thanks for the help, police 3.
Awesome, thank you very much for spotting it. I completely lost sight of it.
No problem, much appreciated, police 3.
Alright, thanks. I'm going to descend back to 500 en route southbound again.
Traffic on 248 Yankee Bravo Echo. Alpha is operating at separate refinery at about 400 foot, so keep a lookout for any traffic in the area. Yankee Bravo Echo.
Police 1 copy, we just to the east of the old runway over the vegetation here, so we should be clear of you.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, I'm still on the ground. I've got your
carrying a course just south of the Kamas River, 2,500 feet, descending 1,500, reaching 114 Virginia, Kilo.
Police 1 is now overhead the old airport and we're reaching Bluff Harbour now for Virginia.
Traffic rescue 335, BK117 is down to 2 nautical miles to the west of the November 2 interchange, and we're reaching northeasterly towards Kinshasa. Rescue 335.
For 2, feet off the porter, we coming up Umlazi River mouth, doing maintaining 400 feet around. We're routing northbound towards Virginia, low level, police 3.
142 traffic in the Old Durban International Airport area, rescue 336, military beacon 117. We are about to get airborne from Old Durban International Airport, routing around towards J section, low level, rescue 336.
And police 1 has just passed over the old airport and will be coming up 2 miles south of the harbour. They'll be reaching via the Bluff Harbour Mount coastwise for Virginia, police 1. And we are clear on foot.
Traffic visuals, Johnson 1, Delta 109 helicopter, we're southbound 500 feet, sea of the format and territory, just passing through the Old Durban International Airport, Transnet 1.
South Coast traffic, Alpha Echo Echo 10 and landed on Kamas River, climbing through to 1,500, routing to Kamas Airfield. We'll be changing to 1244 shortly, Alpha Echo Echo.
Special rules, traffic rescue 334, military A109 helicopter, we're airborne Old Durban International, routing Greytown and on to Newcastle. We are at 500 foot on QNH 1018, rescue 334.